up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Nikki. For those of you who do know me, thank you so much for coming back to my channel and welcome back. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video, and also hit that notification bell right beside it so you never ever miss an upload from me. Alright, you guys, so today's makeup tutorial is going to be on this look. I would like to call this kind of a pinky purple shimmer eye with pink frosty lips. I think the most exciting part of this look for me today was the lips, because I could not wait to try this lipstick. It is the Milani lipstick in pink frost. It is such a beautiful color, and how cute is this packaging? Super duper cute. And I just could not wait to film a makeup look with it and also just create something so beautiful and fun. Even though it is in fall, I still have some mauve tones in there, so it's very appropriate for fall. I got my pink sweater going on, so yes, fall appropriate, fall approved, Nikki approved. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna ramble too long. I just wanted to welcome you guys back to my channel and tell you a little bit about that lipstick. It was so smooth going on. The frost is giving me, oh my, I just love it. I'm so excited, y'all. Let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright you guys, so my skin is already moisturized and primed, and I'm focusing on the eyes today. So I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in Precious Stone, and I'm taking that mauve pink color and I'm going to pop this into my crease and I'm going to blend it out. I think this color is super duper pretty. I love really mauve colored eyeshadows. I think they're just so beautiful, and a lot of times you can just put that one shot eyeshadow on and you just have a look, and so pop on some lashes and liner and girlfriend, you have your look. Alright you guys, so I do need to apologize for the quality of this video. I was definitely competing with the sun for lighting, so if it looks a little bit blurry and dusty, I'm so sorry about that. Alright you guys, so the next color I am going in with this mauve purple color. So I'm staying in the pink and purples family for this look. So I'm going to take that color and I'm going to pop it underneath the mauve pink color. I'm not taking it and putting it on top. I'm popping it a little bit beneath that crease color, and I'm just blending upwards ever so slightly to blend the colors together. And you want to do this to make sure that the transition is smooth and there are no lines of demarcation. Next, I'm going in with this pretty pink shimmer color. It is just so beautiful, and the pigment, it's like, ooh, like yes, as you can see. I was definitely feeling this color and I was definitely feeling the pigment. So I'm going to take this color and I'm going to pop it all over my lid. It's not going to be like a cut crease. This doesn't have to be like extremely neat at all. You just want that pop, that spotlight eye. So we're going to take that color and just apply it onto the lid. And I'm also going to do the same thing for the other eye as well. And just kind of just smooth it all the way across. Doesn't have to be perfect, just however you want it to be. Mine is just kind of all over the lid. That glitter shade is just gonna be my spotlight, because I want this look to really be popping eyes. Alright you guys, so next I'm gonna go in with this pretty purple glitter color. I added this right on top of the pink glitter shadow because I wanted the look to be a little bit more purpley and pink and not just solely pink, because it was starting to look like a pink glitter look, which was so pretty, but I wanted to add some purple in it too, because I wanted the purple to really be involved in this, you know, this fantasy as well. I'm just gonna layer that right on top. Like I said, doesn't have to be super duper perfect, just layering on top. Now I'm just dusting away any glitter, any shadow that might have fallen out on my under eyes. Next, I'm going in with this dark purple shadow, and I'm going to take this and I'm going to go on my bottom lash line, and I'm just kind of not really smoking it out, but I did want some color down there just to kind of balance everything out. I didn't want to leave the lower lash line out of this party. Now with a fluffy brush, I'm going in and I'm just blending that shadow out so that it's really not really smoky, but just a little teensy bit smoky. Alright, you guys, so I'm applying some mascara to my bottom lashes while my fake lashes are drying, and I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This mascara is so great. I cannot brag on it enough. It's so great. Alright, you guys, so I've gotten my lashes on, and next moving on to lips. This is the Milani lipstick in Pink Frost. This color is absolutely gorgeous. I think this was like one of the most exciting parts of this look for me was this lipstick. It's called Pink Frost, and it's just like a nice shimmer frosty pink lipstick, and I just think it's so beautiful. And set the lip off, and I'm just make sure everything's good, and that's pretty much it. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.